what's up? It's your girl Danielle. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you how I dropped 5 pounds. Yeah, you heard me, 5 pounds in 10 days doing an intermittent fasting and a collagen diet. Stay watching and I'll be right back. I know what you're thinking. You're thinking. Yeah, I know what you're thinking. Yeah, she has 4 kids. And her baby is 18 months and she's still breastfeeding. And how did she drop 5 pounds? All right, girl, snap out of my head. Let me get back into this video. So let me share with you how I dropped those 5 pounds in 10 days. How exactly does this work? Guys, check it out. I did not do any type of working out during this 10-day period and I was able to drop those 5 pounds. Now, I am big on intermittent fasting and I found one that works for me. The 16-8 works for me. Just me. I get to eat whatever I want after 10 a.m. every day and my cutoff is 8 p.m. at night. During my eating period or my feeding period, look, I eat whatever I want to eat, but here is my guideline. I have to have my 10 grams of collagen every day. 10 grams. Now, in case you don't know this, collagen is actually protein. And what protein does to your body, it makes you have this feeling of fullness. And that's why I do this. So during my hours of feeding and I have my collagen, I am feeling full. This helps to reduce what I take into my body during that time. So I am less hungry. So in case you've ever thought about the connection between collagen and fasting, it is simple. Collagen equates to my proteins. My proteins, they're gonna fill your girl up and I'm gonna be less likely to go ahead and wanna nibble on things here and there. All of that contributes to me losing weight. Now during these 10 days, I did not work out. I wanted to see, could I drop or would I drop the weight in 10 days without working out? So this experiment that I conducted was done in 10 days, no working out, just my fasting and my collagen supplements. This video is going to help someone today. Keep the questions coming, keep the comments coming right down below. Guys, remember, if you're new to this channel, hit that subscribe button and tap that bell. And also, life is what you make of it. Always has been, always will be. Mwah. Until next time, ciao.